Discover the ultimate riding experience with the top-rated Giant electric bikes. Designed for maximum performance and comfort, these electric bikes offer unparalleled power and reliability. Conquer any terrain with ease while enjoying the eco-friendly benefits of electric biking. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Giant electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Giant Roam E+ stands out as the 5th best Giant electric bike, offering riders a versatile and exhilarating experience. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it empowers riders to explore any route they desire, whether it's smooth roads, rough terrain, bike paths, or trails. Crafted for performance, its key features include all-road capabilities, driven by a powerful sync-drive core motor and a durable Velocis SL aluminum frame. The bike's wider tires provide stability and control, while the 63mm suspension fork enhances comfort on rough surfaces. Equipped with an Energy Pack Smart 400 battery, the Roam E+ ensures longer rides without worrying about power depletion. Its range varies depending on conditions, with an approximate range of 34 miles under extreme conditions, 65 miles under good conditions, and an impressive 93 miles under ideal conditions. Priced at $2,200, the Roam E+ delivers a seamless blend of mountain and road bike qualities, making it a thrilling and accessible option for riders seeking adventure and reliability on various terrains. Meet the Giant Explore E+, the epitome of adventure and convenience in the realm of electric bikes. Garnering the esteemed title of the 4th best Giant electric bike, it's a testament to its outstanding performance and versatility. With a swift pace of 28 miles per hour, it invites riders to embark on journeys where joy is discovered in every pedal stroke. Crafted for various purposes, whether it's trekking through scenic landscapes, commuting to work, or simply elevating the enjoyment of any ride, this all-rounder e-bike stands ready. Its Velocis aluminum frameset and sync-drive life motor ensure stability and seamless acceleration across all terrain types, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging hills. Powered by the Energy Pack Smart battery delivering 500 watt-hours, riders can extend their explorations, pushing boundaries with longer rides. Regarding range, the Explore E+ provides an approximate estimate ranging from 34 miles under extreme conditions to an impressive 111 miles in ideal settings. Priced at a competitive $2,100. Experience the thrill of trail riding like never before with the Giant Stance E+, ranked as the 3rd best among Giant electric bikes. This cutting-edge e-bike propels you forward at up to 20 miles per hour, ensuring you conquer trails with unparalleled confidence, control, and sheer enjoyment. At the heart of this beast lies the Sync Drive Pro motor, delivering a formidable 85Nm of torque and customizable 400% support, making even the steepest inclines a breeze. The Velocis SL aluminum frame, coupled with one 25mm travel flex point rear suspension and 29-inch wheels, guarantees a smooth and stable ride over rugged terrain. Equipped with the new Energy Pack 800, this bike boasts the longest range possible, while its integrated battery design ensures quick and hassle-free charging. Highlights include the intuitive ride control dash unit, ergonomic handlebar support buttons, and the robust FlexPoint rear suspension, which effortlessly tackles any obstacles in your path. Priced competitively at $2,100, the Giant Stance E+ offers unmatched performance and value, inviting riders to push their trail adventures to new limits and ensuring long-lasting fun and unforgettable experiences. Introducing the Giant Rain E+, the pinnacle of electric bike engineering and performance. Ranked as the number 2 best Giant electric bike, the Rain E+ redefines what's possible on the trails. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it's designed to conquer every terrain from steep climbs to thrilling descents. Crafted and fine-tuned by Giant's e-bike enduro pros, this trail beast boasts key performance factors that set it apart. Its proven Maestro rear suspension, 160mm, and powerful Sync Drive Pro motor propel you up steep inclines and tackle rugged descents with ease. Updated geometry ensures superior handling and agility on technical terrain. Ride control. Ergo 3 puts total control at your fingertips, while the Giant e-bike app offers customizable tuning options and fitness tracking tailored for e-bike enthusiasts. Powered by a long-lasting energy pack with 800 watt-hour capacity, you can climb mountains and enjoy extended rides without worrying about battery life. With a range of up to 155 miles under ideal conditions, the Reign E Plus ensures you can go the distance. Priced at $5,400, the Giant Reign E Plus delivers unmatched performance and reliability, making it the ultimate choice for avid riders seeking adventure on every trail. Say hello to the Giant Trance X, crowned as the #1 among Giant electric bikes. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, this powerhouse of a bike is designed to revolutionize your off-road experience. Ascend steep climbs effortlessly, glide through rugged terrain with grace, and command unprecedented power, agility, and control with its lightweight, full-suspension design. At the heart of its performance lies the new Energy Pack 400 battery, ingeniously crafted to minimize weight without compromising power. Paired with the Sync Drive Pro motor, developed in collaboration with Yamaha, this bike delivers a staggering 85 Nm of torque, ensuring swift acceleration and conquering technical trails with ease. Equipped with an advanced cockpit control system, including the Ride Control Ergo 3 remote, mounted seamlessly on the composite Giant Contact SLR integrated handlebar, customization and control are at your fingertips. With a range of up to 80 miles on ideal terrain conditions, the Giant Trance X empowers riders to push boundaries and explore new horizons. Its all-new composite frame features adjustable geometry, offering versatility for every trail, priced at $11,500. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.